Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you want to pop out the tray, which is located here. It is toolless, so you don't need anything apart from maybe a fingernail. As you can see, you can just pry it out from here. And there we go. Just pull it out. And on the tray you have space for either SIM card and SD card, or two different SIM cards. If you're planning to use dual SIM, you would just place one of the SIM cards on an SD tray, but sideways, like this. But because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it over. There we go. And also pop in SD card in here. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, and from there you can insert it back into your phone. Come on. And my SIM just popped out. Maybe it's going the other way. Come on. Oh, there we go. Not sure why I didn't want to go in before. And again, it doesn't want to go in. This is a little bit annoying. There we go. So it looks like the tray is super flimsy beyond belief, and when you're trying to pop it in, you have to put it at an angle like this. Otherwise it gets stuck on something, and by doing that it kind of bends the tray and pops out the SD card, which you then need to pop back in once the tray is just a little bit in. Not the greatest design, so just be mindful. Don't try to push it in forcibly, just try to figure out a way to get it in there. It's supposed to easily slide in there, but once you do get it in there, it should start working immediately. And you can see there's the pin for the SIM card, so I'll confirm that quickly. And SIM card is working, and SD card is working as well, which you can see based on the pop-up right here. And that is how you would insert both of them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.